Hello guys, make your spaghetti this way and you will enjoy it. This was like, it tastes like heaven. Very yummy. Trust me, you will love this recipe I'm revealing to you right away. So what you need to do is to subscribe, like this video, and guys, let's get right into the video. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Scan TV and I'm jobless as the case. Okay guys, today we are to learn how to cook perfect fried spaghetti. It's very easy and simple with little ingredients. You're there. So stick right into the video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do it to click the red subscription button, like this video, and let's dive right into the video. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using in cooking our fried spaghetti. I have some stock here and butter or margarine. I have my spag. I have my my green bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, my green chili, my veggies, and some protein, my onion, my ginger and garlic, and some scotch bonnet pepper. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using. I'm going to leave them on the description box, so do it to check it out. First of all, what you need to do is to add in your stock in a pot, then add in your spag, then add in the quantity of water that you want for it to use and boil. Yeah, so it to be soft, not too soft. Yeah, so I'm adding the quantity of water I'm going to be using. Please guys, like this video if you've not liked this video, and tell me where you're watching this video from so I can give you a special hug. Thank you. So quickly, it has been boiling. We're going to be adding some of our seasonings. I added some seasoning cubes. Then I'm going to be adding my ginger and garlic, the blended one. I added it this time because I already have powdered ginger and garlic, which I'm going to be adding when I'm going to be frying my veggies. So that's the more reason I'm adding this very one now. So I'm going to add salt to taste. After that, I'm going to stir, then cover this to allow it to cook again for it to be ready. Okay guys, I'm going to sieve out. It has been ready, so I'm going to sieve out the water, then keep it aside, keep the spag aside for me to cook. So these are the veggies I've just finished prepping: my yellow bell pepper, my green bell pepper, my green chili, and my onion. Do well to play around with all of the veggies that you want. So I'm going to heat up a pan, then add in some vegetable oil. After adding in some vegetable oil, I will allow it to heat up a bit, then add in my chopped onion. Then after adding in my chopped onion, I'm going to allow this to fry for about 10 minutes. Allow it to be a bit golden brown and let it bring out some lovely flavors before going in with the other veggies. I'm going to fry this, then go in with the green chili and the other bell peppers. Then I'm going to fry this for another 20 minutes. Then I'm going to add in my veggies. These are my leftover veggies, so it's not really looking fresh as it ought to be. I don't really have money to get other ones, so I just had to use the leftovers. So I'm going to be adding in some of my seasoning, thyme, curry, my salt to taste, and a little bit of seasoning. Then I'm going to add in my powdered ginger and garlic. Then I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes before adding in my scotch bonnet pepper. Remember, I love my food spicy. So I'm going to fry this for another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my protein. Please guys, share this video, like if you've not liked, and subscribe if this is your first time here on Can TV. Thank you. I really appreciate. And thanks for my returning subscribers for coming here again today. I really love you and you're most special. So I'm going to fry this for more 10 minutes then before adding in my spag. The one I drained the water earlier. So I'm going to use a wooden spoon, then I'm going to mix this thoroughly so everything will be thoroughly mixed. Please guys, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. Thank you, I really appreciate. So guys, we'll be mixing this and be frying this for about 20 to 25 minutes on low heat here. So it has been frying for about 20 minutes thereabout. So I'm going to go in with my butter. If you have margarine, is good. Then I'm going to fry this for another 10 minutes. You know, butter helps to make it look shining and also it gives a lovely taste. Yeah, so that's the secret of me using butter. So I'm going to fry this. Do well to play around with the protein. I just used what I have at the moment, so that's why. So I'm going to be frying this for about 10 minutes. You can see it's looking very dry. I like it this way. Wow, look at how yummy it's looking. Wow, please guys, do well to try this recipe at home. So it's ready. Please comment and tell me what you think of this video. Do you like this recipe? Will you try it at home? So guys, if you really learned something today on my YouTube channel today, on this particular video, please do well to tell me. Comment and tell me what you think of this recipe. Will you try it? Do you love it? So guys, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in another video. I have other videos on my channel, so do well to check it out. Bye bye. See you in another video.